Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send a YouTube video on Facebook Messenger app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to find the video you want to send on Messenger. Simply tap on it to open the video. Once the video loads and starts playing, you'll notice several options available below the video player. Now look for and tap on the share button. This button is your gateway to sharing the video across different platforms and apps, including Messenger. When you tap it, a menu will pop up showing you various sharing options. If you can't see Messenger among the initial sharing options that appear, don't worry, simply tap on More to expand the list and reveal additional sharing options. This will give you access to all the apps and platforms where you can share your video. Next, look through the expanded list and tap on Messenger Chats. This option specifically allows you to share the video directly through Facebook Messenger, making it easy to send videos to your friends, family, or groups without having to copy and paste links. At this point, the Messenger app will open automatically. You'll be taken to a screen where you can select who you want to send the video to. This interface shows you all your recent conversations and contacts, making it quick and convenient to find the right person or group. Simply scroll through your contacts or use the search function to find the people you want to share the video with. Once you've found them, just tap Send beside their name. The video will be sent immediately to that conversation and they'll be able to watch it directly within Messenger. And that's it. You've successfully shared a YouTube video through the Messenger app, allowing your contacts to enjoy the content you found interesting. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.